Welcome back to Islamic Quiz. Are you ready for what is this called quiz? So let's get started. This is called ABAYA. This is called NAMAZ. This is called attar. This is called NIQAB. This is called surma. This is called honey. This is called HIJAB. This is called olive oil. This is called TASBEEH. This is called THOBE. This is called dates. This is Maqam Ibrahim. This is called sheep. This is called black seeds. This is called pomegranate. This is Masjid Aqsa. This is called MISWAK. This is called Qabr. This is called THOBE. This is called figs. How many did you get right? Comment down below. Subscribe to Islamic Quiz for new video. Goodbye. Till new quiz.